to the Granados family. Please like, please subscribe, please share, please comment your name down below to the Granados family. Today's episode, we're gonna be riding our bicycles.
With the little sister.
Yeah, with my little sister. She's like,
She has a Mario.
oh, that's Daddy.
Oh, that's Jasleen. Okay.
That's mine. She comes to judging. Hey, good Daddy. Comment below if you call. Comment below if you called your sisters weird names. Okay.
Alright, guys.
I
Come on,
got a
let's go.
frozen bicycle. She got a regular bicycle. Okay, I'm gonna start riding it. Start riding it. And your
Alright.
bicycle. Ah! I took my Lego. Daddy Lego. Hi guys. I'm riding my bike. Oh guys, and I even have a place for my dogs to sit by it.
Go. Go, Juliana. Oh, you gotta get you guys crash. Go, Jasleen. Go. You need a little push?
Yeah.
Alright. Go.
We do the push. Go, Juju.
No, you guys are stuck.
Guys.
Go.
Who in the world might even... Oh, one
There
little
you go.
push, one little push.
Oh, you can do it.
I can go around the whole circle. My dad has to give me $100.
Alright, guys. Please subscribe to my daughter's channel. She gets very excited when she sees new subscribers. We're at 12 only. We want to get to 20, 30, and hopefully one day to like 100 subscribers. If not more, why not? If you guys can help, thank you. Go. She got stuck. We gotta go help her out.
I'm going to
A
go
little
around.
push for her.
I don't